Welcome to qnawire.
Here we have two beads on a track, a blue one and a green one. The blue one slides towards the green one starting from rest, hits it, and then the green one goes up the other side of the track. We have been tasked to finding the height at which that green ball or bead goes up the track. Before we can do that, we need to figure out the speed of the blue ball right before it hits the green. And to do that, we will have to figure out, using the conservation of energy, what that will be. So we should know that 1/2 of mv squared, the kinetic energy of the blue ball in motion at the very bottom of its pathway, is going to be equal to mgh, the potential energy at the top of the track. Now, like always, mass disappears here, and we end up with velocity equal to the square root of 2gh, which is the square root of 2 times 9.8 multiplied by the height, which in this case is 1.5 meters. So the speed of our blue ball right before it hits the green ball is 5.425 meters per second. Now, to find the final speed of the green ball, which is what we'll have to do in order to find the height at which it goes up, it's really going to be the initial speed of the green ball in this situation, but the final speed after the collision is going to be equal to 2m1 over m1 plus m2 multiplied by the initial speed of the blue ball. Now remember that the initial speed of the second ball, the green ball, was 0, so this is all we need to do. And then we can plug in our information, because we already know v1i from the previous section. So we have 2 multiplied by 0.4 divided by 0.4 plus 0.6. 0.8 over 1 multiplied by 5.425. So that speed comes out to be 4.34 meters per second. And now we can do the same thing we already did. 1/2 mv squared equals to mgh. But in the case of the green ball going back up the track. So we know v squared is equal to 2gh. Rearranging that to find height is going to be v squared divided by 2g. V was 4.34 squared over 2 times 9.8, which gives the overall height of the green ball to be 0.960 meters.